morning everyone. Welcome to the English class. In today's class we will do true or false of lesson number 4. Okay. For that you have to take out your English number 1 notebook and a new page also. Okay children. So let's start. In the first line write down lesson number 4, true or false, and you have to leave one finger gap after each word. Okay. From the next line write down number 1, and number 1 is the big boxes are for the toys. Children, is it true or false? The big boxes are for the toys? Yes, this is true. So write down T R U E, true, and underline the word on the red line like this. Okay. Then leave one line and write down number 2. And number 2 is there is THERE, there is no clock, CLOCK, clock on the wall, WALL, wall. There is no clock on the wall. Is it true? No, this is not true, because there is a beautiful clock on the wall. So what we'll write? We'll write FALSE, false, and we will underline this word on the red line. Okay. Leave one line again and write down number 3. And number 3 is the girls, GIRLS, girls keep their, THEIR, their clothes, CLOTHES, clothes in the cupboard, CUPBOARDS, cupboards, and the statement is completely true. So write down TRUE, true. Underline the word on the red line. Number 4 is the girls, GIRLS, girls are not happy, HAPPY, happy to see the new bedroom, 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 full stop. Let's read it again. The girls are not happy to see the new bedroom. Is it true? They are not happy. No, they are very happy. So the statement is false. It is wrong. Write down FALSE, false, and underline the word on the red line. Okay. Now turn the page and take out a new page. Write down number 5 in the first line. There is THERE, there is a small mat, M-A-T, mat, on the floor. Floor. Read the sentence again. There is a small mat on the floor. The mat was small. No, there is a big mat on the floor, isn't it? A large mat. So the statement is false again. Write down F-A-L-S-E. False. Underline the word on the red line. There is a small mat on the floor. False. Okay? Children, in today's class, we will start our cursive writing book also. Okay? In that, you have to take out page number 5. Today, first I will teach you how to write these letters properly in your cursive writing book. Okay? A. How will you start? Keep your pencil here. Make a slanting line. Go up and come down. Till here only. Half of the way. Then go up again on the same line. Come down, down and go up and make a circle. Then no need to lift the pencil. Okay? Come down again and a tail. Okay? Can you see this? Now keep your pencil here again. Go up, up, up and come down. Then go up again on the same line. Make a circle and then a tail. This is how perfectly you are going to write the letter A. Okay? Now the next letter is F. For this, keep your pencil on the second blue line. Which line? Second blue line. And draw a slanting line. Go up. Children, you will not lift the pencil up. Okay? Then make a loop. Come down, down, down till the red line. Again go up and join here and a tail. When we write in cursive writing, we need to write 2 letters or 3 letters together. For that, you have to start again from here. Come down, touch the lines and a loop. Every time, children, you have to touch the lines properly. Okay? Now the next letter is C. Start like this. Put a tick like this. Okay? And then extend this line and go up till blue line. Come down, stop. Again go up, up, up and come down till blue line and again drag this line up. Go up till blue line. Come down. Go up on the same line. And here again in the same way. Isn't it? Now what letter is this? D. Again, first of all, we have to write A for apple first of all. Write down A for apple between these 2 blue lines. Then go up, up, up till the red line. And on the same line you have to come down. Okay, like this and a little tail and D is ready. Don't lift your pencil. Again, practice the same thing. A for apple. Touch the lines properly. Go up. Come down. D is ready. Now what is it? Alphabet E. Slanting line, loop, tail. Slanting line, loop, tail. E is done. Isn't it easy? Then H. Slanting line, come down straight. Again go up on the same line between the blue lines and up. And H is ready. Okay? Same way. Go up. Come straight down. And H is ready. Now what is it? Letter L. Children, you have to make a loop in the letter L like this. Slanting line and a loop and come down and a tail. This is how letters are done. Okay? Now let's see letter M also. Slanting line, come down, one house, two house, and M is ready. Strike this line again, go up, 1, 2, 3, and tail, and M letter is ready. For O, what you have to do? You have to again write A for apple, but not the tail this time, and this loop, and O is ready. Let's practice it again. Go and take. Okay children, now do this work in your English cursive writing book properly, neatly, and submit to me. Thank you.